Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Whoop Easy Guide step by step clearly. To set up your Whoop strap, first, unpack the device from its box. Ensure you have the Whoop app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the option to set up your Whoop. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Whoop strap with the app. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for successful pairing. Put the Whoop strap on your wrist to activate it. The app will prompt you to start a pairing process. Confirm the pairing by selecting your Whoop strap from the list of devices. Once connected, the app will guide you through initial settings. Enter your personal details such as age, weight, and fitness goals. Next, adjust the fit of the strap on your wrist for comfort. You will then receive a tutorial on how to wear it correctly. The app will begin syncing your data once the strap is set up. Explore the app features and start tracking your fitness. Make sure to regularly charge your Whoop strap to keep it functional. Check the app frequently for insights and personalized recommendations. Now you are ready to start your fitness journey with Whoop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.